Hello students, today we shall discuss here about the literary devices in poem The Road Not Taken. First of all, we'll have to look the symbolism here in the first stanza and the symbolism that is relate to life. The two roads that relate, this word relates to life, and this is symbolism. SYMBOLISM, symbolism. And often we hear guess the rhyme scheme, and the rhyme scheme of this stanza is A B A A B A B A A B. Then what is this rhyme scheme? It means the first line, that is A, it is pronounced, it is rhymed with stood and could, and here too B B. So the rhyme scheme is A B A A B. It means the first line, this is pronounced with the third and the fourth line of this stanza. So the rhyme scheme is here like it, I mean A B A A B. Okay, then we will find here the anaphora. Anaphora means sentence begins with the same letter and the same word in the stanza, and these are and, and these are anaphora, ANAPHORA. So I will deliberate all the definitions later on in our next classes and even in next period too. So you'll have to just remember that this stanza is content with anaphora, first symbolism, then anaphora, then rhyme scheme. Okay. In stanza 2 also, we can see the rhyme scheme, the same rhyme scheme, that is A B A A B. We can find here, and these are fair A. Fair is rhyming with where and then there. And here claim is also rhymed with the last line, last word, same. So this is the rhyme scheme, and here we can find alliteration. Alliteration, the repetition of words, the sound in the same line, that is th here, th, that, there. And even you can find here w sound, w, w. So this stanza is content with alliteration and rhyme scheme A B A A B. In stanza 3 also we can find here the rhyme scheme, that is A B A A B, and you all know that how it is rhyming with lay, day, way. So these are the rhyme scheme A here, and we may also observe these are rhyming with A B A B. So A B A B, and we can find here the same repetition of word or the letter F and F, nothing else. This is content with only the repetition of letters and the rhyming scheme A B A B. Dear students, here in standard 4 also we can see the rhyme scheme AB, AAB, here A, B, A, A, B. The rhyme scheme is here with side I by, and here in B hence difference. So the rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B. And after this rhyme scheme, you can find here the repetition, edges and edges. The repetition of words we can find here in this poem, in this stanza, edges and edges, and here we can find a line which is correlated with first stanza, and that is two roads diverged in a wood. In the first stanza, we find two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and this is why it is mentioned that because this is the crucial point, and all should decide what to be in future. So they should choose the option which will be better in their life. For that reason, or for that, this is mentioned here that two roads diverged in a wood. And after this, we can find already that stanza 1 is related to stanza 4, and these are all about the stanzas of The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost, and hope you all understand. So we have to once more observe this stanza, that rhyme scheme is here A B A A B, A B A A B, and here the word repetition of words we can find, that is edges and edges. Okay, thank you.
Students, the poem that we discussed today's morning was an interesting poem. So I hope all of you understood better, enjoyed, and even I wish to tell you that you'll have to practice that poem, and even the words or the literary devices we furnished for you, and even which are mentioned in the poem that relates to all of our life, and even the poem that is more interesting because of its messages towards us and towards our life. So hope you all the best, and even all got in a good way, and even try to work more on that. Thank you very much, and hope we shall overcome the lockdown and even this pandemic situation.